That really is one of the world's great sporting events.
Yeah, what a week of upsets. Thanks, Wally. Well, up next, the staggering sum paid for Elizabeth Taylor's wedding gown.
And there's the chance of an east coast low forming off Queensland. Right now in Brisbane, 17 degrees. I'll have the weather next.
In finance, the share market continued its mood of optimism with a second straight day of solid gains after encouraging news about China's financial system and economy. Our dollar's buying 93 US cents and stronger in Europe. Well, Dame Elizabeth Taylor's first of 8 wedding dresses has been sold at auction in London for just over $200,000, more than twice the highest estimate. An 18-year-old Taylor wore the dress when she wed hotel heir Conrad Hilton in 1950. Well, weather time now with Davina. You're making us nervous with all this talk of rain.
Yeah, we got a taste of things to come today. Lofty, a miserable day around the southeast. The heaviest showers were really around the Gold Coast. Coomera has seen 60 millimetres since 9 a.m. Just a couple of millimetres recorded around Brisbane, and we'll see those showers spread north up to the Sunshine Coast tonight. No surprises, the cloud kept it quite cool today. Logan reached a top of 18 degrees. That's 4 below average. Just 14 today in Toowoomba. Brisbane 11 to 20 degrees, a top of 23 on the Sunshine Coast. Caboolture and Redcliffe both reached tops of 21. Now, more showers for southeast Queensland tonight and tomorrow as we see a trough develop off the coast. Now, this is the rainfall modelling for the next 5 days, and there's a chance of an east coast low developing off Queensland. That could intensify the wet weather and bring strong winds. We'll know more about that system, including which way it's going to track in the next 24 hours. Tomorrow, showers for Sydney, Melbourne and Adelaide. Morning fog for Canberra. A sunny, warm day for Mount Isa, 26 degrees. Morning fog for Townsville before a fine day. Fine for Mackay and also for Rockhampton, and a few showers as we move down the coast, and also for Roma, 4 to 22 degrees. A grey day around the southeast, cloudy, scattered showers and not much movement in those temperatures. 14 to 18 tomorrow on the Sunshine Coast. Drizzle tomorrow morning for Toowoomba, reaching a top of 16 degrees. Ipswich 12 to 20, tops of 19 for Logan and the Gold Coast. The Gold Coast will see some rain tonight and showers tomorrow. Now for Moreton Bay, southwest to southerly winds 10 to 15 knots before a southeasterly change. Brisbane, unfortunately, a few showers tonight, cloudy, more showers tomorrow and a top of 19 degrees. The wet weather will increase on Sunday and Monday. We're looking at lows of around 13 degrees, warming up to tops of 18 degrees, and it is going to stick around early next week. It's not, unfortunately, what everyone wants to hear with school holidays.
Doesn't look great, does it?
No.
All right, thanks, Davina. And that's our news for tonight. A current affair coming up with Trace. Good night.